Today we are going to solve this equation to find x and y. Solution: x plus y equal to 5. Now x, y equal to 50. This is equation number 1. This is equation 2. From equation 1 we are going to find equation 3. Y equal to 5 minus x. This is equation 3. We are going to substitute this y value in equation 2, that is x 5 minus x equal to 50. Now multiply this 5x minus x square equal to 50. Now minus x square plus 5x, we are bringing this left hand side, so minus 50 equal to 0. It is negative, multiply this with minus 1, so x square minus 5x plus 50 equal to 0. This is quadratic equation we are going to apply now, that is a equal to 1, b equal to minus 5, c equal to 50. Quadratic equation formula that minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now minus b is minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 square minus 4 times of 1 times of 50 by 2 times of 1. Now minus into minus is plus, 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 is 25 minus 200 by 2 times of 1. Now x equal to 5 plus or minus square root of minus 175 by 2 times of 1 is 2. Now x equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 25 times of 7 times of minus 1 by 2. Now x equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 25 times square root of 7 times square root of minus 1 by 2. Now x equal to 5 plus or minus 5 square root of 7 by 2. Now we have x equal to 5 by 2 plus or minus 5 square root of 7 by 2. We have 2 x1 equal to 5 by 2 plus 5 square root of 7 by 2. x2 equal to 5 by 2 minus 5 square root of 7 by 2. From this equation y equal to 5 minus x. From this equation we are going to substitute this x value. So y equal to 5 minus 5 by 2 plus 5 square root of 7i by 2. Now y1 equal to 5 minus 5 by 2 minus 5 square root of 7i by 2. LCM for this is 10 minus 5 by 2 minus 5 7 square root by I by 2. Now y1 equal to 5 by 2 minus 5 square root of 7I by 2. This side y equal to 5 minus x, 5 minus 5 by 2 minus 5 square root of 7I by 2. Now 5 minus 5 by 2 plus 5 square root of 7I by 2. Now LCM for this 10 minus 5 by 2 plus 5 7 square root of I by 2. Now 5 by 2 plus 5 square root of 7I by 2. This is y2. Now x1 y1 equal to 5 by 2 plus 5 square root of 7I by 2, comma 5 by 2 minus 5 by 5 square root of 7I by 2. x2 y2 equal to 5 by 2 minus 5 square root of 7I by 2, comma 5 by 2 plus 5 square root of 7I by 2. This is the answer. Check the solution. The equation x plus y equal to 5. 5 by 2 plus 5 square root of 7I by 2 plus 5 by 2 minus 5 square root of 7I by 2 equal to 5. This cancels this, so 5 plus 5 by 2 equal to 5. So 10 by 2 equal to 5. This simplifies this, so we have 5. So 5 equal to 5. So LHS equal to RHS. X y equal to 50. Now x is 5 by 2 plus 5 square root of 7I by 2. This is x. Y is 5 by 2 minus 5 square root of 7I by 2 equal to 50. A plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. 5 by 2 whole square minus 5 square root of 7I by 2 whole square equal to 50. Now this is 25 by 4 minus 25 times of I is minus 1 by 4 equal to 50. Now 25 by 4 minus 175 by 4 equal to 6. Here 25 plus 175 by 4 equal to 50. Now this is 200 by 4 equal to 50. They simplify this. This is 50. So 50 equal to 50. So LHS equal to RH. Yes, this is verified.